Hello and a very warm welcome to Musings of Manu, and in this video we are going to talk about 3 things you should definitely do once you start your college life. Imagine this situation. You've just given your 12th standard exams and you've passed out as well. And now you are searching for cutoffs. You've given the test CUET for the DU admissions and for any other college, and you're just going to take admissions. Now what can you do to stand out? First thing you need to do is make a LinkedIn account. If you haven't, I would suggest you make a LinkedIn account while you are in school only. But now that you are more mature, now that you are going to college, now that you are going to meet different people and you can network very well in your college days, I would suggest make a LinkedIn account. This is going to help you in so many ways, and I will be talking about that in my upcoming videos. But for the time being, you have the time, create a LinkedIn account, set your profile picture, write about yourself, write about your everyday, what you do, how much you scored, what are you looking up to, and who do you look up to, what are your dreams, and write about everything, your aspirations, your dream, your hard work, all that you can. Write about your stories and all that you have in your bucket list. Just write it down on your LinkedIn profile and start connecting with people, start connecting with like-minded people. That's what you have to do. First point, my friends, make a LinkedIn account. Second, make a resume. Use Canva or use IIM Ahmedabad's template, or use Harvard's template, or you can use a simple Word, and you can create your own resume in that Word. I still remember I spent more than 5 to 6 hours, even more than that, during those days when I was preparing a new resume. So it was not Canva template, it was not a pre-made template. I made it myself, and that's what you have to do. You can do that so that you can learn how to put it, how to format it, and you can take inspiration from someone else, or you can also take help from YouTube. So that's what you have to do. Prepare your resume, write about your experiences, accomplishments, your skill, and everything else. That's what you have to do. The second step is prepare your CV, your resume. And the third and the most important step that you have to take during the very beginning of your college life, listen to me very carefully, what I'm saying is your college ID. The college ID that you are going to get when you start your college life, you'll have to use it, and more than yours, I'll say you'll have to utilize it. It has ample of benefits and you are not even aware of it. When you'll start visiting cafes and restaurants, you will realize that there's a lot of discount sitting on that one college ID card. When you use Amazon or any other subscription, when you take it, you'll have those benefits because of that one college ID card. And you can have 6 months premium of LinkedIn just with the help of that one college ID card. That's what I had during when I started my LinkedIn journey. I had that premium account, and it helped me in so many ways. And it's not just good for your LinkedIn profile, it's also good for the courses that you are going to take, the LinkedIn courses that are all for free when you take up LinkedIn premium. And you will be meeting with like-minded people, and you will be able to see who saw your profile. And that's the most wonderful part. You know that these people are interested in my profile and I can connect with them. You already have the people, the database, and now all you have to do is connect with those people. So I would suggest go make a LinkedIn profile, make your resume, get ready with it, because you are going to apply for internships, and you're going to apply to societies. You're going to learn some new skills, and you are going to build those skills, and then you are going to earn, because unless or until you start learning, you can't earn anything. So for the learning phase, you will have to do these 3 things: your college ID card, your resume, and your LinkedIn profile. Get them ready and you are all set to begin with. While you're doing these 3 things, just remember one thing, that these are all interconnected. With LinkedIn, if you prepare your good profile on LinkedIn, you can also take help from LinkedIn, and you can prepare your own resume with the help of LinkedIn. There's an option on LinkedIn that it will give you a whole resume with the help of your LinkedIn profile. Whatever you put there, it's visible. It's your digital resume. LinkedIn is your digital resume, and you'll have to utilize this platform very well, because everyone is on LinkedIn these days. Every single person